Hello everyone, welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model with the help of its drawing. So let's start with its drawing. See, this is the drawing. Note all the dimensions are in millimeter. First of all, we will make this triangular surface. See, there are two circles. The outer circle has a radius of 32 millimeter, which is equal to 64 in diameter. And see, this is radius 20, or you can say diameter 40. And also this is 5 mm, and also from this point to this line the distance is 24 millimeter, and we will extrude up to 60 mm. So let's start by making this. Go to SolidWorks, open a new part file, click OK, select here top plane and sketch. Now draw two circles. Go to smart dimension. The outer circle has a diameter of 64 mm, and also the inner circle has a diameter of 40 mm. Click OK. Draw a vertical center line. Escape. Now select here corner rectangle. Now go to smart dimension, and this length is 5 mm. Now zoom in. Select this point, press the control key and select this circle and make relation coincident. Click OK. Now go to trim entities and trim these lines. Click OK. Now select this line, not point. Select this line, press the control key and select this line and make relation equal. Now click OK. Go to smart dimension, and from this point to this bottom line the distance is 24 mm. See, now our sketch is fully defined. Now go to this line, and draw a line like this. Escape. Now go to fillet, type here 20 and select these two corners. Click OK. Now go to smart dimension. From this point to this point the distance is 80 mm. And also from this point to this point the distance is 45 mm. Also from this point to this point the distance is 40 mm. Now click OK. Now see, here is tangent relation. We want this relation here as well. So select this line, press the control key and select the outer circle and make relation tangent. Click OK. Now we want to draw two circles. So go to drawing. See, The outer circle has a radius of 12, which means the dia is 24 mm, and here the dia is 14 mm. So let's draw these two circles, and then we will use extruded cut command and cut up to 6 mm. So go to Solidworks and draw two circles. Same here. Click OK. Zoom in. Make the outer circles equal and also the inner circles equal. Click OK. Go to Smart Dimension. The outer circle has a diameter of 24 mm and the inner circle has a diameter of 14 mm. Click OK. Now go to Features, select here Extruded Boss Base. First select this face and extrude up to 60 mm. Click OK. Now select the same sketch and extruded boss face. This time select this face and extrude up to 25 mm. Click OK. Now select the same sketch and extruded boss face and extrude up to 25 minus 6, which is equal to 19 mm, and select this circle. Click OK. See, check the real view graphics. Now go to drawing. Now we will make these three features. See, there is a circle which is for construction purpose, and there are two circles. The outer circle has a diameter of 26 mm and the inner circle is dia 16 mm, and and the angle between these two is 120 degree, and also the dia of this circle is 150 mm. So let's draw this part, and also we will extrude up to 60 minus 36 minus 4, which is equal to 20 mm, and the inner circle we will extrude up to 4 mm. So go to SolidWorks, select this face and sketch. Draw a center line, escape. Now draw a circle, go to Smart Dimension. The diameter is 150 mm. Click OK. Select this circle and make construction geometry. Now again go to center line, and from this point to the outer circle draw a line. Escape, go to Smart Dimension. The angle from this line to this line is 60 degree. Click OK. Now draw three circles. Escape. Now go to Smart Dimension. The outer circle has a diameter of 40 mm. Middle circle has a diameter of 26 mm. And the inner circle has a diameter of 16 mm. Click OK. Now go to line and draw a line like this. Zoom in. Escape. Select this line. Press the Ctrl key and select this center line and make relation parallel. Click OK. Now select this point. Press the Ctrl key and select this outer circle and make relation coincident. Click OK. Now select here mirror entities. Select this line and mirror about this center line. Click OK. Now zoom out. Go to features. Select here extruded boss base. Select this face and this circle. Select here 20 mm. Reverse the direction and also select here offset. Type here 4 mm. Also reverse the direction. See, now it is downward. So click OK. See, now select the same sketch. Go to extruded boss base. Now select this circle. Type here. Select here blind. Type here 24 mm and reverse the direction. Click OK. See, now we will use circular pattern. Drop down the menu. Select the last two options. And in the direction 1, select this circular face. Type here 360 degree and select here 3. Click OK. See, our part is complete. You can also give fillet. So go to fillet. Now type here 2 mm and select this edge, this edge, this edge, and also these 3 edges. And also this edge. And click OK. See, our part is ready. You can also give some appearance. So go to appearances and select any color you want. I am selecting this color. You can also select all these or just click part 1. See, click OK. Enable the real view graphics. See, our part is complete now. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.